How to install the YouTube app on iPhone. Don't see the YouTube app on your iPhone? Let's install it in just a few steps. Open the App Store and tap on the search tab at the bottom right. Then type YouTube in the search bar, then find the official app from Google LLC. Tap on Get and confirm your Apple ID and wait for the app to install. Instead of the Open button, it shows the Get button. As I've already installed it, I don't need to install it again. And done. You're ready to start watching and uploading videos. Just tap on Open. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.